So in this particular section, we will talk about listing the product onto the eBay and then obviously posting your orders as well. I want to talk about particularly for the people who are interested in a wholesale business model where they buy the things from China. This is really, really important for them, because for the people who are doing a drop shipping, most of the time they can copy the title, they can copy the picture, or they can copy the description. Still, for the people who are drop shipping, I highly recommend them that you also follow this process as well, because then the chances of actually getting your product onto the first page are going to be higher. If you just simply copy just like other dropshipper, the way the other dropshipper are doing, then you will be actually competing against a lot of people as well. So we have to really know the science and algorithms behind that in order to actually rank our product onto the first page, because this is really, really important as well. So the first thing that we will do, just share the screen right here. In this particular part of the section, I want to focus on the titles, because the titles are something which will bring the customer, which will bring the traffic over to your listing. And then the second most part is going to be the pictures, because in the picture, sometime you might need to remove a background, sometime we might need to add some badges, sometime we might need to add some other things as well. So this portion, this dedication is just going to be the title. Then I'm going to dedicate one video to the pictures, and then we will show you the whole process of listing. So what we are trying to do is actually trying to make our title more effective. Title have to be effective. Effective doesn't mean it have to be pretty. The way we will trying to make a title, it might not make sense, but we are trying to get on to the first page, and that's what the algorithm try to find out at the same time. I will give you a simple explanation of it. So if we try to go on eBay, and then I type, let's say for example, iPhone cable, and I search for this one, and then I will try to see what the algorithm is doing is trying to see who is using word iPhone 5, who is using word iPhone cable, and trying to find the listing according to that as well. There are other factors which play the role right here as well, but mostly the keywords that I have typed inside the search, it is trying to find the similar results based on what I have typed, which is iPhone cable right here as well. What if there is a way we can find out that if the people who come to eBay looking for the product that we are trying to sell, what do they type inside the search bar? If we know that 100 people are typing iPhone cable and only 50 people are typing iPhone lead, because you can say lead as well, then I want to optimize my title for 100 people, right? I will use the word cable as compared to using a word lead. So how we find out what people are typing? This is really, really important as well. So I will show you the Zeek Analytic title builder, which is a paid one, but I will show you also a free ways to actually find out as well. Zeek Analytic is more effective if you already have a product, if you already have a subscription for your product research, then the title builder is also included inside the Zeek Analytics. So first of all, let's go to the Zeek Analytics right here. What I'm gonna do is, once you will come inside the Zeek Analytics, you come right here inside the dashboard, and then you will be able to see title builder option on the side. You click on title builder option on the side. Location is United Kingdom, last 30 days. Also marketplace is eBay. And then let's say I'm trying to sell iPhone cable, and I will type iPhone cable right here as well. Now what the Zeek Analytics is giving me is trying to give me a lot of data right here. Like for example, for Apple iPhone, cable, fast, Apple, lead, long, charging, data, heavy, all those kind of stuff. that a lot of people are typing, and on the top of that it is trying to tell me what are average searches based on that particular word. So for Apple iPhone long tail keywords, this is many people who try to search for that one, over 800,000. And then if I type the word USB cable, because we can say USB cable, not many people are searching for it. There are, I mean, there are a lot of people as well, but as compared to this one, not many people are searching for that particular keyword as well. So it makes sense for me to use the word which is highly being searched at the same time. This is the way we found out in Zeek Analytics. I will tell you how you actually use these words as well. But other ways to actually do it, you can go ahead and open the eBay and type what you are trying to sell, which is iPhone cable. It is giving you a lot of suggestions right here as well. iPhone cable genuine, iPhone cable charger, iPhone cable 1 meter, iPhone cable short. All these are the keyword ideas. How to make the title out of it, I will show you in a minute. On the top of that, also see the related section right here as well. It will show you many keywords right here as well. Another website which is free, but I'm gonna show you how you find out the keywords from there. This is called keywordtool.io. The links will be inside the notes as well. We go right there, we click on eBay, and then we select the country to United Kingdom, and then I will type iPhone cable. And this will try to actually suggest many keywords as well. So for example, iPhone cable genuine, iPhone cable charger, iPhone cable and plug. People are trying to combine it and sell it together. This also gives you a lot of product idea, as I mentioned. In the product idea, what you call it, product idea, free ways to find the product in that video as well. But the only problem is that we do get good suggestions right here. I will try. You can pick up the words from here as well, even from the search as well, or from the Zeek Analytics as well. That really going to depend on your circumstances at the end of the day. If you have a Zeek Analytics subscription, the thing with Zeek Analytics that it exactly tell you how many people are searching for. So the more people, if they are searching for that particular word, then the chances of our sale getting higher is going to be also higher as well. So now I got a couple of words that I can play with. So first of all, the first generic word that people are looking for is iPhone. So I'm just trying to pick the word and trying to make like a title out of those words which will make sense according to what I'm trying to sell as well. So iPhone, then cable, and then this is fast and charger. People are looking for these one as word, and also charging at the same time. So I will type rather than iPhone cable, I will type iPhone fast charging cable, because people are interested in fast charging. So I will do iPhone fast charging cable, which makes sense for me. And then a lot of people are looking for iPhone. That's a lot of people are. So here I can use this word as well, for iPhone. And then what else I can type? Okay, a lot of people are looking for iPhone 12, 11, 5, 6, and 7. So what I can do, which will make more sense to me, which will be iPhone 13. That's their top model. 11, 12, 12 and 12, 11, X, that's what they call it. Any other idea that I can do, I can take from here? Lead long charging. Yeah, I think that's Okay, so 5, 6, and 7. A lot of people are looking for that as well. So I will type 5, 6, and 7. So I'm trying to cover all the models right here as well. iPhone fast charging cable for iPhone 1312. A lot of people for 1312. So a lot of people are using the word iPhone for iPhone. A lot of people are using the word fast charging. So I have all these random keywords right here. I'm trying to combine them together and trying to see what is relevant to my listing as well. I will give you another example so you will get a better idea what we are trying to do here. Again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, let's say I have a watches to sell. I'm selling watch. I will type watch, and let's say if it's for men, I will type watch for men, and then the same one we will try to type right here as well. And we'll try to search. We're trying to find what people are looking when they search for iPhone man. So this is really, really interesting right here as well. If my watch was a formal watch, right, then I can, rather than just typing men for watch, because a watch for men, not a lot of people are looking that way. People are being very specific when they are looking men watches. They are looking for dressed wrist watches. I think these are formal watches as well. So I can type this keyword right here. So what I can do is, if my product was actually a dress watch, if it was a formal watch, then I will type dressed wrist watches. That's what people are looking for more. People are, if my watch show the date as well, then wrist watch date, so people really interested in a date as well. Then also, if my watch was a sports watch, then the word sports watch they are looking for inside that one. So depending on whatever the product is, let's say my watch is a leather watch, which is formal as well. So the way I will try to do is to really leather, and then what's the highest searched keyword right here, dress wrist, and then I will pick this word, rather dress wrist watch. You see, that's the one. Even though this keyword right here is a wrist watches right here, but also people are looking for the watch. So according to my own requirement, I changed it a little bit, but still this is the highest search keyword. Also wrist as well. And then a lot of people care about date. So I will say, if my watch was showing date, then I say with date, and then I will put comma and try to find more keywords which will make sense for me as well. I will go for a lot of people looking for military style watch. If it was, my watch was digital or analog, that's what people care as well right here. So if I would say leather dress, let's say my watch is analog, so I will put analog right here with date. And then a lot of people are looking for wristwatch UK. So the reason they are typing UK at the end, because they are looking for the sellers, they are looking for the suppliers who are based in UK. So I got the idea that if I put, let's say, UK fast shipping, then this will be the product, which this will be the title which will get shown a lot in the search. People will click on it most because that's what they care about as well. Along with, once you're trying to make this title, we also, like, let's say I found this one that people are typing UK, so giving me also the idea that people will actually, because it can be a gift, which can be a birthday gift or can be something like that. So it might make sense for the people to have the faster delivery. So if I have a stock for the watch, I will put UK shipping flags over to my picture as well. So I hope this makes sense. Just to revise it again, just to say, You first look for the keyword either on the Zeek Analytics or by eBay suggestions right here, or by the keyword tool. You pick up the words, you pick up the long tail keywords, and then try to make title using those keywords. Use the keywords which are being searched a lot. How you find them? Either through Zeek Analytics, you find them through eBay suggestions, or you find them through keyword.io. Now the thing is, if a lot of people are doing, let's say, drop shipping, or you are just copying the title from your supplier, I highly recommend that you do make these changes if you can, and optimize your title still if you are doing drop shipping, because the chances of your product gonna get more sale is going to be higher. If you are invested in a product you bought in a bulk from China, then this is absolutely necessary for you, because you don't just copy the title from Alibaba or copy the title from dropshipping supplier. In some cases, optimizing it to that deeper level might not be possible, but wherever you find the keywords, wherever you can do this manual, what you call it, optimization, this is going to be really have a massive impact on your sale as well. So you will see by yourself.